Employing dozens of blind and visually impaired individuals, this NewView manufacturing facility produces hundreds of products and services that are used all across the country. Today we're going to be talking to Gerald Robertson, who's been working here since 2013 and knows a ton about what this facility has to offer. Can you tell me a little bit about what NewView does here, Gerald?
This is our manufacturing facility where we manufacture all of our products that go into production. Things such as first aid kits, wheel chocks, fire hoses for the forest department, vinyl shower curtains, a sand pit where we're filling sandbags. We have a sewing department, just a whole host of things that we do here.
And how does that help blind and vision impaired people to be able to work here?
We are the largest employer of people who are blind and vision impaired here in Oklahoma. Their mission is to get people to their highest level of independence. And so this employment is helping people to get to those levels of life that they can live without limits.
Well, I'm excited to see everything in action today.
Let's do it.
So Gerald, can you kind of tell me what's going on over here?
Well, right over here is our hose department. They're making 187 fire hoses for our U.S. Forest Department. When you see the big forest fires on the news,
Yeah.
our hoses are probably what they're using.
Wow.
And it's pretty exciting to know that something that we who are blind and vision impaired built and it's being used for something that's important as saving lives out there.
Yes. And how is this specific facility specific to blind or vision impaired individuals?
We modify all our equipment for people who are blind and vision impaired so that anyone at any visual acuity can do the job. Well, this is one of our CNC machines. He makes parts. He can make parts out of metal, and there are different types of materials for different types of people.
And how many of these do you think you're making a day, Adam?
You can get as many as 870 of these a day.
870, wow.
So this is our sandbagging operation. We just started it a few weeks ago. Kind of an example about how well we adapt to new things, that new projects that can come up. I have Chris Mendenhall here with me. He's the lead of our small projects, so he took on this project.
What is it like for you as the lead, kind of figuring out new projects and how to plan that?
We are lucky to have a great team here. Everybody that you see behind you on that line has given ideas and input to help develop this project. Every step of the way we've been able to adapt and figure out ways to improve and make it better. When I lost my sight, to be honest, I didn't think I was gonna be working again. I think a year and a half after I lost my sight, I found out about NewView Oklahoma. And I got 3 small children, so it was a blessing to be able to go back to work and to provide for my family.
This is our vinyl shower curtain department. Our curtains are made for different purposes. They go to hospitals, the Department of Defense, correctional institutions, schools, and some commercial stores as well.
Gerald, what has been the emotional impact for you in working in this specific department in vinyl and shower curtains?
This is my first supervisor job since I lost my vision in 2010, and I started working here in 2013. And it gave me a sense of belonging again and being able to use the skills that I have again. And that's a lot of people that work here, they weren't born blind, but some of them lost their sight, after several years, but it gives people a sense of belonging. It's not what you can't do, it's what you can do. And so that's what we try to encourage.